Cherry Point, North Carolina. You fly these things too, don't you, Chris? Now tell me about what TAC is going to do in the airplane right now. Right now, run-up check, take off, run the engine up, check the slots, make sure they're going in the correct position. You'll take them back out, and then it'll be take off. Now he's not going to take off vertically because the heat of the engine is off would melt the asphalt. So he's going to do what is he going to do for takeoff? He's going to go up so they go up. Watch this. 25,000 pounds, right? Actually, we're on vertical takeoff, so you can show it in a short takeoff. Wow. So we'll have some flex in the nozzle. But it's also the V-stall capability to let you land and take off at short runway in ocean. So it enables the Harrier to operate in places where other aircraft can't even think about operating.